Hi, this is Ron from FarkleShop.com, and I'm going to show you how to get a free classified ad. So after you log in, go up here to buy and sell and say post an ad. In the title, put your title in. Category, we'll say it's motorcycles. Type is for sale, and we'll just leave all that in there, Santa Clara. And right here where it says 10 days for $3.50, if you don't want 10 days and you could do with 5 days, there is your 5-day free ad. You just go on to put in the description and all the other information down the line there and click the agree to the terms and save, and you have yourself a free ad. Thank you for watching. This is Ron from Farkle Shop.